Okay, so we have everything, but we don't have sugar. So we're gonna go to Acme and we're gonna get sugar. We're gonna come back. We're gonna start everything. So let's go.
Next video, I want you to guys tell us, right? Tell Azim what he should be making in it.
Right here.
Right? How about you, Azim? What do you want to make next video?
I was thinking, since it's gonna be November in a couple of days, I was thinking we could do like turkey, like a Thanksgiving more of type food.
Yeah.
And then for December we could do cookies.
Yeah, you can do that.
Like sugar cookies.
Right. But anyway, I want you to guys tell us, if you guys have any idea, what Azim should bake it. Please let us know, right? Comment down below.
Yeah.
All right. And also, what they should not forget about it all the time.
Like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on the notifications, comment down below what I should make.
Yep, that's absolutely right.
So this is not Acme, but this is like a different store that's kind of same like Acme. So let's go inside with the things that we need and we'll get out very quickly. Okay, yeah, this is just more.
Yeah. You want to go ask him?
Yeah.
Go ask him.
Excuse me,
Yeah, tell me.
you know where the sugar is?
Yeah. Oh, you bring the things, right? Oh, I see. He's from Pepsi. I'll see you.
So we need sugar. Ah, right here.
Right here? You got it?
Never mind. These are for.
You go ask him.
You know what sugar is?
It's this aisle? Yeah. Oh,
Okay, thank you.
see, you got it. That was pretty quick.
Alright, so
No, these are sugar.
I know.
Right.
Sugar.
So you want to get
Should we get a big one?
yeah. How much these? I think $3.99. Sugar.
$4.99.
Yeah, that's good.
This?
Get that one, yeah, the little one.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because that one is
$49.
$3.19. Yeah.
Three.
We're gonna get that one.
$3.20 around.
Yep.
Alright.
Show me what it is.
This is the sugar.
Let's go get it.
Let's go. Wow. People are feeling that sugar is getting on me.
Azim, look what I found. They already have a pre-made thing. We're gonna make it from scratch, right?
Yeah. Alright,
Yeah.
more of your... what do you think we should use?
You gotta match like a Halloween thing. Let's see if you can match the. Just get one of that.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know if you have a Halloween type.
Should I get this?
Thing. Huh?
This?
I don't know.
Welcome to 89. Place your item in the bagging area.
Can you get it?
Please scan it now. 319. Your card is in.
Okay.
Please remember to take the
Got it?
Please remove all bagged items.
Got your receipt? Let's go.
Okay. So we got it at home. Home sweet home. So me and my dad feel hungry, so we're gonna eat something. Then we're gonna start making the food.
Let's go.
So let's go. The ingredients are baking powder, 2 eggs, cream, vanilla extract, flour, 2 eggs, and extra flour just in case you need it. Right now, we already did the baking powder and the flour, but we have to do the sugar and the butter. So,
how many butter you put in? I mean, the sugar?
Sugar has to be 3/4.
3/4?
So 3/4.
Okay.
So the reason why I don't have salt here, even though that's what we need, I'm just gonna use salted butter. This is butter, just melted. I'm just gonna use that because it's the same thing really. It's just butter with salt. So
Yeah,
I'm just gonna use that. So I'm just gonna use this other than the salt and that.
So you said this one is already salted butter?
Yep.
That's why you're not using the that's what you're not using the salt,
Salt,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so first, I'm gonna put this in. It doesn't matter what we put first, but I'm just gonna put this first in because why not?
Yep. And that was butter, right?
Yep. And then now we do the sugar.
Sugar.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Now we
2
whisk.
eggs.
2 eggs first.
Yep.
Holding it the wrong way, wait. There we go. Okay. Now we whisk. And by the way, you need vanilla extract and you're gonna put 2 tablespoons. So I got 1 tablespoon in here right now. We're gonna pour it and we're gonna do it again. So let's go. Okay, 1.
Second one.
Okay, there you go, another tablespoon. That looks like soy sauce. I don't know why. It just does. Okay, close it. Now we whisk up. So now you can use either 1/2 of buttermilk or plain kefir from room temperature. So I'm going to be using kefir, so let's add it. What? The chocolate. So this is chocolate. We're going to be making chocolate muffins. You don't have to use chocolate, but I'm just going to use chocolate because my aunt told me to use it because it's going to get old right now. So I'm going to use all of it because it's melted. So yeah, let's add it all. If you guys want, if you guys forget what to do, I'm gonna be adding all the ingredients in the subscription below, just in case you forget, so you don't have to go back and forth, back and forth. So if you want, you can pause the video, go to subscription, see what to do, and then yeah, you got it. Now it's time to mix it. It's gonna take pretty long, but
You could either use your hand or you could use like.
you can either use a spatula or that thing to use when you mix stuff. But since it's like this right now, I'm just gonna keep on doing it with this. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna keep on doing it with this because I feel like with work is, you know, more fun. And get everything from the edges because when you pour this in, sometimes some of it will be like over here. So by the way, once you're done mixing, get everything from the edge. Just saying.
Good.
So with my hands, it would have been too slow. So I just decided to get a mixer from inside our house and just use it because then it would be faster.
1, 2, 3.
And by the way, before we put the thing in the cupcake holder in my jiggy, we have to put the our oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So, but first we have I don't know if that if the how much we put is too much or too little. So we're gonna get the big one, and if there's still left over, we'll also use the small one. So let's go get it. And don't forget to put your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go do that right now. Now we're gonna wait until this oven gets to 350 degrees. So let's go and do something while this gets ready, which is most likely gonna be getting ready the things. I need more of the cupcake, these things. So I got more, and we're gonna use all of it. So see if we use all of it. So let's go. 4.
How many you have total?
4, 8, 10. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
24.
Mhm.
Huh?
Are you testing my math?
Yeah, I want to see how you count.
Okay. Well, this is 24. Now's the fun part, and I'm excited because of it, because now we can put all this into there. So let's do it. And you want to make sure you use not all of it, because you know when you the cupcakes rise, it's gonna all the way expand like this, gigantic. So you know, I don't want to do it too much, but I don't want to do it too low. So obviously now you see that we're done. It took a long time, pretty long time. But since me and my dad teamwork makes the dream work, so it didn't really take too long. So now that we're done, we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna come back upstairs. We're gonna make ourselves busy for a couple minutes. Then we're gonna go back downstairs, check, and if it's ready, we'll come up, taste test, and then bye-bye.
How long it takes usually to bake?
Like 30 minutes, I'd say.
Like 20
Yeah,
minutes,
20 to 30.
You just have to check the oven all the time, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna carry this. We're gonna go downstairs, and we're gonna put it in the oven. So follow me. Let's go. Let's take a trip to downstairs. Follow me. You see it? This thing, I'm pretty sure is ready. It's 350 degrees. We're gonna put this in the oven. And yeah, at the end, we're gonna put sprinkles, and then we're gonna taste test. So, and don't forget, this oven is really, really hot. And if you're a kid like me, get a parent. I know how to cook because my parents teach me, but they still help me either way, so I'm not getting hurt while I do this. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So if you're my age and you don't really know how to cook and you're watching this video, get somebody. And so obviously for cupcakes, you need frosting. But the last time we had a party at our house was a couple days ago. We still had frosting left over from that. So I'm gonna teach you how to use that for these cupcakes. So let's go.
So we don't have to do it from scratch, right, Azim?
Yeah, so we don't have to do it from scratch, and it'll take less time. So let's go get that ready. Let's go. So this is the frosting, and I had this from a couple days ago from the last party that we had. And if you didn't know, you can use old frostings. It just can't be expired.
1, 2, 3.
So obviously you need the thing to squeeze out the whipped cream, but we found one of the parts, but we don't have a bag for it. So we're just gonna use a Ziploc, put this in, cut one of the edges, and then we're gonna squeeze out the cream, and then boom shakalaka, sprinkles on top of it, because we got. Then you know what time it is. So in order to make sure that it's ready, get a toothpick, and then once you think that it's ready, take it out and then put it somewhere, and then like poke it through, and if it comes out clean, very clean, like nothing on it, then it's ready. So we're gonna do that right now to see. Ooh, okay, I need a glove.
1, 2, 3.
Be careful, it's very, very hot. Do not touch it, only touch it with toothpick. So let's see if it's ready. I'm gonna go with this one. Yep, it's ready.
See? For a second, let me focus it. Yep, it's clean, right? Try the other ones.
We finished our cupcakes. They're all ready. Sorry about our neighbor. He's just cleaning his backyard, but that doesn't stop us. So we're gonna put all the cream inside this, cut it, do this, some sprinkles, and then we're done. You can finally try it. It's like 5 o'clock right now, around 4. It took pretty long, but it's okay.
Gonna go pick up Mommy.
We're gonna go pick up my mom after. She's gonna try it. I know she's gonna be really amazed, because who doesn't like myself, you know? Mommy, I love it. So let's put all this in here first. Take all of like the burnt pieces out and then leave like the rest of it, you know.
So now is the fun part, right, Azim?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Not gonna do too much.
Because our cupcake is still hot, right?
Now sprinkle. That is like nothing. Oh, that's like something. That's very something. It's literally water sliding. Mm-hmm. Mm.
So you gotta wait until it gets cold, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's too hot. That's why it's not staying.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Overall, that's good. That's good. Good.
But I need water for it, because it's dry. But overall, 11 out of 10. Very good.
Alright, so let's go. Gonna go pick up Mommy. Close it.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Like the video if you want Aziza to be in the next video. Comment down below what we're going to do next. And turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next one.